But I'm also happy because I reach all my goals with your help, all of you, the staff, and all of my teachers. I think I have all bridge teachers, so I will go to the university now, and I'm so happy and to believe that I can, with what bridge gave me as knowledge, I can handle my challenges. Happy also for my host family who was really helpful, helping me to speak English every day, doing a lot of activity, and it's a real good experience for me. So I want to thank everybody. Alisa, you do so much job for me. Even you don't give me enough vacation, but it's okay. So and all the staff and my teachers who are not here, and that I would like to thank all of you. And the only thing I have to do to thank you is to do what I have to do to the university, because how work I will do. If I work hard, it will be a good witness for you for your job. So, but I still in Colorado Springs is the city next door. So I will come often to Bridge because they have very cheap coffee. So I have a good reason to be here, and for the happy hours, 3 beers, my first beer. So really thank you very much, and see you as soon as I can.
Thank you so much, Nelson. We'll miss you.